This is Omega Dude coming at ya with another edition of Ask STARBASE. Today, we'll be answering what may be a very explosive question from Mildred, all the way from Puerto Rico. What causes the reaction between baking soda and vinegar? Baking soda and vinegar are two substances with many uses. Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is a powdery substance and a chemical compound with a molecular formula of NaHCO3. It is a salt, which is composed of sodium and bicarbonate. Its uses include cooking, medication, deodorant, cleaner, odor eliminator, and more. Vinegar is a liquid solution of acetic acid, water, and trace chemicals and has a molecular formula of CH3COOH. Its uses include cooking, cleaning, weed killing, medication, among others. When combined, watch out for a potentially explosive situation. I'm somewhat exaggerating, as this combination is not going to cause a literal explosion, but as I'll show you later, can do a pretty good job of simulating one. What type of reaction is this, and what causes it? If you said chemical, then you'd be correct. A chemical reaction is when two or more substances react with each other and their particles are changed, resulting in different substances than what you started with. Let's dig a little bit more into this. Actually, there are two separate reactions going on here. The first is that acid-base reaction, in which the hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda, creating two new chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium acetate. This then leads to the decomposition, or decaying, reaction, in which the carbonic acid just formed begins to decompose, break down, into water and carbon dioxide gas. Much like you see with carbonation in soda, the newly formed carbon dioxide gas rises to the top of the mixture. This creates the bubbles of carbon dioxide that you see from this reaction within the liquid. Knowing this, you can now have some understanding behind some pretty cool experiments that you can conduct right from home. Some of which, as I said, can do a good job at simulating the explosive power of nature. A classic favorite in science fairs all over the world, you can create your own model volcano that actually erupts with baking soda, vinegar, and a little food coloring. In another experiment, you can use the vinegar baking soda reaction along with a bottle and a balloon to make something surprising happen. In yet another, you can use that same reaction along with some glitter to create fireworks of your own. Finally, and what I think is my personal favorite, you can create your very own baking soda bottle rocket. All of these experiments will have links found in our episode notes. If you don't like these particular experiments, other variations of them, as well as other experiments, can be found on any search engine. Another edition of Ask STARBASE is in the books. If you have a STEM-related question you want to send us to be answered, email it to ask@starbase-ct.com. Or you can visit our website at starbase-ct.com and record your question using Flipgrid at the bottom of the page. This has been Omega Dude, signing off.